Whew. I'm suffering.
Wow, we will.
Hot damn. So we've been around in Mataram now, this capital of Lombok, and we've been eating traditional food all the time. It's time to step it up a notch and go like for really very traditional food. Spiciest fast food chain in Indonesia.
Indonesians love super spicy food, and here in Richeese Factory, it serves just that. You basically order fried chicken with a choice of levels from 1 to 5, 5 being the painful, numbing, spicy one.
I think it's not that bad.
We'll see what you say in a few minutes.
And we ordered one level below that.
So we took the number 4 out of 5.
I'm scared, like, I don't know, I'm scared.
For the whole day, this is the spice. I mean, approximately 3 hours of baby, you need a glass milk, susu.
Yeah.
So I'm a bit afraid of all the cheese and fires, known to be like not the best thing for the stomach.
Oh my god, this is bad. So we will open the rice.
I prepare the cheese.
Do we just put the cheese on top of the chicken, or? We're just postponing. We're literally postponing this.
Alright, can I have some maybe close? So alright, let's do this. Now or never.
I don't want to do this, babe.
So silent.
Babe.
That's a good barbecue. But the chicken, I really like the chicken. But then my lips. I wish my tongue would burn a bit more. Whew.
I'm better. I have recovered.
My whole body is heating. I'm suffering.
His chicken is almost finished and I only have 2 bites. And I'm in pain.
Oh damn. Now my stomach is panicking as well.
When is this pain gonna go?
I'm suffering.
Wow, we will. This is the way.
I think that's the biggest trick. To eat without burning the lip. Hot damn. Oh, hot damn. No, I'm suffering really eating the fries. Actually, it's quite alright if I don't eat anymore. Even the fries that are not spicy, just moving my mouth.
Oh, damn. Is your chicken finished?
Yeah.
Wow. I've had like 3 bites. Oh.
It feels really like someone puts a lighter on your mouth. It's just like burning completely the lips. Like the tongue is, it's okay, but the lips.
This is the devil himself. I can't even.
But the chicken is really good. And the barbecue sauce is also good. It's good tasty. It's a good spicy.
I feel dizzy. I just feel like I just cried.
Should we go to McDonald's after that?
So after some silent and breathless discussions, the pain slowly fades. Then we finally moved to McDonald's, so Patrick could know the answer to...
Is the Indonesian McDonald's better than the McDonald's at home? You will find out now. I haven't been eating at McDonald's for 10 years. I'm really curious about like Indonesian McDonald's, so... It seems like you're using these machines over there. They have like screens where you can press, it's like a big phone.
A big phone.
It's very modern.
I think it's like this as well in Germany, babe. Like,
is it?
You just haven't been in McDonald's in so long.
Damn. So I don't talk to people here. I don't know what they're doing in the back. I mean, that's where the people used to take orders and serve the food. Now they're watching us doing the orders at the computer screen.
I mean, we could order there, but they said that they will put out people that order here first. Technology's taking over.
So what is the special, what is something that is not something maybe like this?
I think it's chicken, and then I think it's something like this. You won't find this anywhere else.
Let's get this.
Coke float, how do you feel about that?
Ooh.
How do you feel about that?
I never had a Coke float in my life. Let's get a Coke float. That took not even 2 minutes to have the food here. Damn, that was. I mean, fast food. Okay, I get it.
That's why they call it fast food.
Was it always this fast?
No. This was the fastest McDonald's service ever.
McDonald's Indonesia. Rice here. I never had rice in the McDonald's. This is the chicken. Damn, that's good. I'm a little bit surprised. At first it looks kind of very simple. There's an egg, there's chickens. Not much, but it's actually, it's good. It's not a burger. I think ever since I can think of, going to McDonald's means like eating burgers and fries. So that's chicken and eggs, so completely different. And sambal and Coke float. So nothing of that reminds me of McDonald's at home. Is this better? Honestly, McDonald's Indonesia wins by far. Quinn looks very shocked and surprised. I don't need this greasy big fast food stuff that you get in Europe. I actually like just like a good chicken, rice. It's just more the food that I'm eating on the street in Indonesia anyway. And that's the food that I love. So thanks for this good food here, the good fast food of Indonesia. That was good. That was good.
Where are we going?
To the bike.
Which is over there. Something distracted him.
Camera shop. Yeah, here we find another food adventure of me and Gwen here. So make sure you're subscribed and click on this video here. Why are you even still watching? Just go to the next video and enjoy watching us eat.
Bye.